Natural Viagra for men. Watermelon is best when it comes to satisfying our thirst during summer. It has marvelous benefits for boosting sexual attire. A simple juice made of watermelon and pomegranate can create miracles in your sexual life. Watermelon juice is known as nature's Viagra. Studies have shown that this juice can improve blood flow to your penis, that too without any side effects of usual Viagra. Many men have used this recipe as an alternative to Viagra. Now let us prepare it. For this we need watermelon, pomegranate, water and lemon. Take watermelon, cut into pieces, keep it in a bowl. Now take pomegranate, collect seeds from it and place it in a bowl. Now take a blender jar, add watermelon pieces and pomegranate seeds. Add some water and blend well. Now take a serving glass, pour the juice into it and add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it and mix well. Now watermelon juice is ready to serve. Drink this juice twice a week for better sexual health. This powerful sex drink works best when taken on empty stomach, preferably on early morning or before dinner. Apart from drinking this juice, eating pomegranate seeds also help to boost the erection. By taking this drink regularly, you can boost erection up to 45%. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.